In April 1939, phone lines linking Kingston to Mandeville and Montego Bay were officially connected after successful testing of the system. There were no fanfare or functions to mark the accomplishment of extending phone lines to Mandeville and Montego Bay. Local technicians working for the Jamaica Telephone Company completed the work without the usual practice of hiring foreign experts to do the job. Administrators working for the post office participated in the project by creating reports and making recommendations. These administrators' meticulous management got the project completed within minimum delays and red tape. Also, the efficiency of the line technicians enabled them to make the wire connection among the three main centers and the Mandeville local exchange in only 3 to 4 months. Users of the telephone service in Kingston, Montego Bay, and Mandeville were expected to dial 3921, which connected to the telephone exchange. Then they would give the operator a phone number of a listed subscriber from the phone directory. Priority calls from Kingston to Montego Bay was 3 shillings per 3 minutes. The 3 shillings was equivalent to about 30 cents. They paid 2 shillings for deferred calls and 1 shilling for calls from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Kingston to Mandeville and Mandeville to Montego Bay and calling from the opposite direction had similar rates. Of course, these rates would have been too expensive for most Jamaicans, so only those who could afford the cost used the Kingston, Mandeville, Montego Bay phone services. Many were prominent Jamaicans who were excited about the clarity of hearing and being heard long distance. Critics had underestimated the Jamaica Telephone Company's ability to operate the Kingston, Mandeville, Montego Bay telephone service efficiently. They suggested that the government turn the operations over to a private company. In 1945, the Canadian Continental Telephone Corporation took over the all-island system from the Jamaica government and operated an integrated telephone network for the entire island.